Hi friends, good morning. Today in this topic we will talk about the functions of kidneys. Already previously we will known that kidney location of kidney and shape and size. Kidney is a retroperitoneal organ. Kidney is a retroperitoneal organ. It situated in our upper abdominal cavity, either side of our backbone, attached to dorsal body wall. Dorsal body wall. It is in bean-shaped structure, reddish brown color. Reddish brown color, 10 centimeters long and 6 centimeters width. It is a chief excretory organ. Means it filters the blood and removes the waste materials. Along with these excretion, it has so many other vital functions. Vital functions. What are those? Let us see. Okay, first one is excretion. Excretion. First one is excretion. Excretion means due to metabolic activities along with useful substances, so many harmful substances are also produced. Those harmful substances are accumulate in our body, they become poisonous. So they have to send outside of our body through the urine. So those excretory substances are mainly urea, and creatinine. These two are very poisonous substances, so by the kidneys they filters and send outside. So urea, because of the protein metabolites, along with proteins urea will forms. This urea has sent by the uh, kidneys. Next, creatinine. The creatinine forms in the area of muscles. In the muscles, these are the two excretory substances. Next, maintains the water balance. Water balance. This is the chief function of the kidney. When we has more more than required amount of water accumulates in our body tissues, our body organs will swell. So kidney will flush out more water we have, along with for the proper functioning of our all organs, required amount of water also need. So when we take less amount of water, they consume water by the filtration process. Means whatever we need water balance, that is maintenance by the uh, kidneys. When we take more amount of water, will the more urine will forms, mixturation will be very high. So when we take less amount of water, that blood will filter and consume the water, again retain to the body by the kidneys. That is the maintenance of water. Next, ionic balance. Ionic balance. Ionic balance in our body. Ionic balance in our blood. That is essential to maintain the ionic balance. Those ions are potassium, calcium. Next, phosphorus, sodium, and hydrogen ions. These are ions very essential. This the calcium will helps to formation of strengthen the bones. Next, sodium. This is a potassium. Sodium, if abnormality of the sodium levels, it may impact on mental balance. Next, potassium. Potassium levels may interrupted. It The rhythm of the walls of heart and muscles will abnormal contraction and relaxations. Okay. Next, these are the ionic balance: sodium, potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. Next one is pH balance. It also maintains the proper pH balance in our body. So it excretes the hydrogen ions and conserve the bicarbonate ions. Next one is uh, It act as it act as endocrine gland. The some cells in the kidney premises, they modified into uh, juxta juxta glomerular apparatus. Juxta glomerular apparatus apparatus Juxtaglomerular apparatus. These cells secretes the some hormones. Those are the aldosterone, angiotensin, angiotensin. These three helps to uh, these helps to uh, blood pressure, helps to maintain the blood pressure, and also it participate in vasoconstriction and vasodilation. మన రక్తనాళాలు ముడుచుకోవడానికి, మన రక్తనాళాలు విప్పారడానికి ఈ హార్మోన్స్ అనేటివి ఉపయోగపడతాయి. దట్ ఈస్ ద రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ ఆఫ్ ద fight or flight. When the bad situation before our face, that the situation is more stronger than ours, then we have to escape. Okay, all those chemical balance are maintained by the these juxtaglomerular apparatus. That's why that is called fight or flight hormones. Next one is important one is formation of red blood cells. In area, some cells release the enzyme erythropoietin erythro erythropoietin erythropoietin. These enzyme responsible for the formation of red blood cells. If the absent of this enzyme erythropoietin erythropoietin erythropoietin, these absence of low secretion of this erythropoietin enzyme will impact on the formation of red blood cells. That is the less amount of hemoglobin less amount of hemoglobin in our body, that leads to anemia, one type of anemia. Next one is for vitamin D, synthesis of vitamin D. For the activation of vitamin D, plays key role. The kidneys plays key role to activate the vitamin D. Already we know that vitamin D helps to formation of strengthen of bones. Okay, these are the remaining uh, functions of kidneys. Along with excretion, it maintains the water balance, ionic balance, pH balance, and formation of red blood cells. Next one, it acts as the endocrine gland, and also it helps to formation of red blood cells, and also it activates the vitamin D. Though both kidneys are present, each kidney, inside the kidney there will be 2 millions of functional units. Those are the nephrons. These nephrons has Bowman's capsules. These Bowman capsules filters the blood, they remove the waste materials. So in next class we will discuss detailed how the filtration, natural filtration, like our water purifier, like our air purifier. In our body there is a natural purifier is present, that purifies the blood and removes the waste materials, and also helps to maintain the balance in our body. That is a very critical process and selective process. Okay, next class we will discuss about detail those filtration unit. Okay, thank you.